Hello, my lovely babies. Good evening. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Yes? Yes. And you were missing me? Huh? I was missing you a lot. Did you miss me? Yes, ma'am. I also missed you, and that's why I'm here. Why ma'am is here today? What we're gonna do? Let's find out. You know what? मम्मा ने आपको बताया है ना that we are having summer holidays है ना. द न्यू मंथ हैज स्टार्टेड, जून हैज स्टार्टेड. एंड जून में क्या होता है? द सन इज रियली हॉट है ना. मिस्टर सन इज वेरी वेरी हॉट. ही इज शोइंग अस सो मच ऑफ एटीट्यूड, राइट. ही इज इन अ बिग एटीट्यूड, राइट. सो वी डू summer holidays in summer because sun is very very hot, right. And but we are meeting daily. Yes, for 15 days we are having a summer camp, right? For 15 days we are having a summer camp, okay? And you know what we did today? I'll tell you. Okay, in the summer camp what we do? We make crafts out of paper and some other stuff, which is available at our place, right? At our home. Because lockdown is there, we cannot go out to buy the things, right? So whatever is available at the place, we will make some good crafts out of it. Okay, so ma'am is gonna tell you what we made today. And can you guess for today? Okay, ma'am just told you the sun is quite in an attitude. Yes, he is showing so much of attitude towards us, being Mr. Sun, being very very hot. So we are going to make Mr. Sun today. And what we need for that? We need a paper plate, some colorful sheets, okay, some colorful sheets. And what is the color of Mr. Sun? What is the color? The color is yellow. Yes. And what is ma'am's favorite color? Yellow. Yes. And some black color. These are poster colors. Yes, we are using poster colors for my little babies. Why? Because they are good for our skin. They can easily be cleaned, right? And paintbrush and Fevicol and scissors. But scissors you will not use by yourself. Okay, please take help of mama or papa, right? They will cut the sheet for you and then you can paste it. Yes, my babies? Yes, ma'am. Okay, and a pencil. Okay, I'll tell you what we will do with it. Okay, and by the time I will keep these things over here. And ta-da! What we're gonna do with it? What is this? This is a paper plate. And we are going to make Mr. Sun out of a paper plate, right? So let's just start. And ma'am is gonna cut this paper plate into two. Oh wow! Can you believe it? One paper plate will become two paper plates. Yes, by cutting them into a half, right? Let's do it. And we say cut, cut, cut. Let us cut, 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 cut. Let us cut the paper plate. Cut, cut, cut. And see, ta-da! We have two paper plates. Yay! How ma'am is looking? How ma'am is looking? Quite funny? Yes. So I'll keep it aside, right? And then where you wanna color? You wanna color this side or this side? Ma'am is gonna put the color over this side. Why? Because over here it's paper, right? And paper will absorb the color faster than this side. Why? Because this has a plastic sheet over it, right? And what ma'am always tell you in the class, what we do first thing when we do color or some craft, we take care of the place, right? Because we do not want to bother our mamas a lot. Yes, so we will put a newspaper onto the table, onto the surface, wherever you are doing it, so that if the surface becomes messy, you can you can clean it easily, huh? We will not bother our mamas a lot, right? And then we will put our paper plate like this over here, right babies? And you can put some heavy object to keep your paper intact, okay? And then man will take yellow color and the paintbrush and we will start painting. Who is ready for it? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready, babies? Okay, let's start. So, and I'll dip my paintbrush. I'll dilute my color, okay? And then we will color. Yes. What is the color? Yellow color. Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yes, so you like it? You like it? Who likes to paint? Who likes to color? Huh? All my babies love to paint. Ma'am also loves to paint, right? Yes. And then on the edges as well. Yes. Very good, babies. Very good. Are you doing it with ma'am? Very good. Yes. Yes. Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yes, very good. So have you done it? Have you done your color? Okay, so this is how my paper plate looks like now. Yes, very good. And safely we will keep our brush aside so that it doesn't do any mess around, right? Okay. And we will keep it aside so that it gets dry. And meanwhile, we will cut our sheets. And what we're gonna do with them. Okay. I had 2 leftover sheets. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold them. Okay, you can also take that, like 2 sheets, 2 any color sheets, whatever is available at your place. Okay, and then fold. Ma'am is giving 3 folds to it, right? And like this. So all my sheets are covered, and then ma'am is going to make a triangle. Are you ready? How we make a triangle? How we make it? A slanting line. Yes. A slanting line. Yes. And a sleeping line. And this becomes a triangle. Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful? Can you make a triangle out of your hands? How we join our hands for the prayer? We join our hands like that. It becomes a triangle. Yes, very good. So let's cut. And what ma'am says while cutting the sheets? Cut, 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 cut. Let us cut, 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 cut. Let us cut. Cut the sheet. And we have our triangles ready, and we will keep this paper aside, right? So these are our triangle beds, right? And what we are gonna do with them? Meanwhile, the sheet is drying. Okay, the paper plate is drying, so I'll cut another thing as well. So I will take 2 different color sheets and I'll cut them longitudinally. हम लोग उसको ऐसे काटेंगे, ठीक है? A bit. I'll show you how. So like this. Okay, so like this length and this width. It can be here and there as well. Okay, it's not hard and fast that you have to cut like this only, right? And another one and one more. Wow, and what color sheet ma'am is cutting? What is the color of the sheet? This is pink color. Very good. You know each and everything, babies. You are all my smart babies, little Einsteins. Yes. You know what? Ma'am misses you a lot, babies. So over here the size has not the same. The size is not the same. So yes, we can manage with that, right? We are little babies. We can cut here and there, right? Yes, ma'am. So I'll keep them here and this here, right? And I'll okay. We will keep it here. हम इसको उल्टा रखेंगे, right? And then we will put Fevicol. Why we use Fevicol, babies? Who can tell me why we use Fevicol? To paste things? Huh? Use a generous amount of Fevicol. Why? Because our base is of plastic, right? Of polythene. So it will take some time to paste paper, huh? So that the paper get pasted. So what ma'am is going to do, ma'am will take her triangles and start putting them, right? On this edge, and then different color, and then different color, and then different color, and then one more, and then one more. And then what we do? We press them with our little hands, right? With little pressure. We will not push it, right? Yes, ma'am. Okay, and ta-da! It looks like this now. Yes, it's good. Yes, ma'am. And then I will take Fevicol. Yes, and I have, how many eyes do you have, babies? How many eyes do you have? You have 2 eyes? Uh-oh. I have lots of Fevicol over here. Doesn't matter. We can use it in our frills, right? Right, baby? So ma'am will take it and ma'am will put this Fevicol over here on the back side, right? Yes. So, and another eye. You have 2 eyes? You have 2 eyes, babies? Yes, ma'am. So Mr. Sun has got 2 eyes as well, right? Yes, ma'am. And ta-da, it looks like this now. Yes, Mr. Sun is watching us, right? And then we keep it like this and we use our frills. Yes, and we paste it. Very good. Are you doing it with ma'am? Are you doing it with ma'am, babies? Yes, you must do it. Yes, because it's so much fun to do it, right? Yes, and we all like to have fun. And we all like to have fun? Yes, ma'am. Just a second, I will give you the glimpse of it. And ta-da! This is how my craft looks now. Yes, do you like it? Do you like it? Hello, Mr. Sun. Hello, Mr. Sun. How are you? How are you? don't show me this attitude because I also have you. Yes, I also have you, Mr. Sun. है ना? So tomorrow morning we all will go outside in the balcony. Okay? And we will show Mr. Sun, our sun, which my babies has made with ma'am. Yes? So you're gonna do that? You're gonna do that, babies? Yes, ma'am. So I'll give you the glimpse. Okay. And I'll take another brush, a smaller brush, and we will make a mouth as well for Mr. Sun. Yes? Let's make a mouth as well. And big mouth. You want a big mouth or small mouth? Or a happy mouth or sad mouth? Which mouth you want? Ma'am is going to make a happy mouth, a happy face. Yes, so let's go about it. And Mr. Sun is happy. Mr. Sun is happy. Yes? Yes, ma'am. And ta-da! The final look is here. How my Mr. Sun is looking? How Mr. Sun is looking? He's looking good. Yes, all of you have made it. Yes, I've removed the newspaper so that the reflection is not there, right? You like it? You will make it? Yes, ma'am. Yes? Okay. So, ma'am is signing off with Mr. Sun and we will see you soon. Okay? Bye-bye.